Okay, I can do that. So the goal is to have it between two fingers like this, and then have it bounce off this finger, and then end up between two different fingers. So you're gonna have the pen between these two fingers. I put it between the knuckles, but you can experiment with different placement. Then you're gonna brace the bottom of the pen against your thumb or against here. And then you're going to flick the pen off your thumb so it comes up, bounces off this finger, and rolls around. So it's gonna look like this between those two fingers, braced on the thumb, flick, it'll roll around, or down here, flick. So like I said, I like to have it between the knuckles, but as you're learning, you can experiment with putting it in different places between those two fingers and with flicking it off of the thumb versus this area between the thumb and the pointer finger. Also try using different pens. Sometimes the weight or balance will make it easier or harder. Then once you have the hang of that, you can practice it between the other fingers. So you can do 1, 2. And once you have both of those, you can practice it without the thumb at all. So it looks like this, where you're making the spinning motion by sort of flicking these fingers. And then you can move that to both as well. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this brief departure from our normal stuff. If you try to learn how to do it, take a video and tag us in it, and we'll be back with our regular stuff next video.